Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe is going to be quick and easy, and I think you're going to really love it. Today's recipe is vegan tuna salad. Okay, I've already cut up half of an onion, medium size. We're going to use half of a lemon, 4 cans of gazpacho beans, some relish, vegan mayonnaise, and 1 package of organic seaweed, dried and toasted. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I already have 3 cans of the chickpeas. You want to drain the water off of them and make sure that you rinse them good. Okay, we're going to give those a moment, and then we're going to put them in the blender and add everything. And I promise you in 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to be done and ready to have a sandwich. Okay, we have the chickpeas and the onions in the food processor. We're going to mix it up, blend it up a little bit, and I'll get back with you shortly. Okay, we're going to put everything in a large mixing bowl, and we're going to add our relish and our lemon juice. You can see everything is chopped up nice and smooth. Don't worry too much about chopping it too much. You just want to make sure that there's not too much water still on the beans. So make sure that they drain. First, we're going to go ahead and put our relish in. And this is, I would say, probably about a quarter cup of relish on the lemon. We're going to put a squirt of mustard in here also. Probably about a teaspoon or more. And our mayo. Now, optional, if you want to, you can put about a teaspoon of nutritional yeast flakes. But on this one, I'm not going to use that this time around. Okay, we're going to mix it all up. Okay, next I'm going to add the dried organic seaweed. I'm just going to crumble it with my hands. This is really going to give it that seafood smell and taste. And we're going to mix it all around. And I'm going to blend it in really well. Add my lemon juice, and again the teaspoon of nutritional yeast flakes is optional. It doesn't matter what type of onions you use. You could use green onions, white onions, or red onions. Okay, and we're going to squeeze our lemon juice in there. I've already removed the seeds. All right, and there it is. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and let the flavors kind of marinate together. And we are ready to make a sandwich. Okay, here's the finished product. Quick and easy with a side of sweet potato fries and mixed vegetables. Now, I just want to let you know there's another option. You can use the same recipe that we use for the vegan chicken salad. And instead of using the relish, you can use the green onions, celery, and raisins in that recipe also as another option. Okay, until next time, bon appetit.